Okay, guys, today I welcome you once again. Today it will be a very quick one. I'll be teaching you how to design this MTN thumbnail. This MTN thumbnail. Before you come to the app, make sure you have your resource available, readily available before you come to the app. So stay with me as we design together. So before that, let's delete or undo everything. When you open your Canva, you first select your size. After selecting the size, then this is what you'll be having. Then you first need to change the color for the canvas or for your working space. Okay. So what you do is you first select your working space and these will pop up. Then you go to color here. When you go to color, then you select what black or black. You understand? Then you have something like this. Then you click the outside of this box. Then you will now have these widgets or these tools here. Then the next thing you have to do is you select your text tool. It is going to be a very quick one. A text tool, then you choose what? The heading. The one they say add a heading. You choose that one. Then you type MTN in caps, all in caps. Then you do your OK. Then you have something like this. Then the second thing you have to do is you also what? Move the MTN. First select it, then move it up. You see those lines showing up, they are our guideline, which will help us to position whatever you want to position on the canvas. So we move it top a bit, then you leave it there. Then the second thing we have to do, as usual, you click outside of the box for the lines or the selection around the shape or the text to go. You understand? Then second select your element here, this element down here. Then when you select it, then you see you search for oval outline. Then you will select it, then this will pop up, these shapes will pop up. Then you scroll side, then we are looking for this particular one. Then you select it, then it will pop up on the canvas. You move it up, it should be round about the MTN. Then the next thing you have to do is you select the MTN, then these tools will pop up. Then you screw, then you come across this color. Then I want us to change the color, so you click on the color, then this will pop up. Then you screw as usual, then you choose what? Yellow, color yellow. Okay. When you screw to the end and you are not getting yellow, make use of this arrow up here. When you click on it, then we have more colors here for you to choose from. Okay. Then you do the same thing for the overall outline. This will pop up. When you select the over outline, this will pop up. Then you go to the color here, then you click on the color, then you screw again from the colors, then you see yellow. As usual, if you don't see the yellow, make use of the outline here. Then you colors, a lot of variety of colors will pop out for you to pick from. Then the next thing we have to do is to go to our gallery. This our gallery for us to go and choose or pick the resources that we will need for this particular one, which is this very one here. Then you select it, then you go to add to page. Then when you go to add to page, then you wait for it to appear on the canvas. So we have something like this. Then you make use of the control bar around it for you to enlarge it. Then you see how it is becoming. Then you make use of the down one also. Then we have something like this. You position it well. Then we are good to go. Then the next thing we have to do is to go to the test tool. For you to be a fast designer or a fast graphic designer, you have to know what to do next. Always know what to do next. Then to help you to move fast. As I said, you select your test tool, then go to add a subheading, which is this very one. Okay, then we go on that. Then you go to the everywhere you go. So you make a dot, then you give a space, then you go to everywhere you go. Okay, then you bring it here up a little, select it first. Anytime you want to edit something, make sure it is being selected first before you make an edit on it. If not, it will be a difficult thing to do. So you make it up, make it also small by adjusting it here. The right dot over there, long press on it and move it closer. Then you can have something like this. Move it up again. Then it's been selected and this widget will pop up. Go on it, go to the color column, then you what? Select white. This very one here, white. Then you have something like this. Now it's left with one thing for us to do. Select it again. When you check, you see that the original one is in a kind of italic. So when you select it, you come to a format here, which is this very one. You select the format. When the format is selected, then this I here is the italic. Okay, then you click on the italic. Then you can see the rating has changed. Okay, so you now have something like this. So this is simple way to design. I move in a fast way for us to beat time. But if you don't get something, you can. But if you don't get something, make sure you play it in a slow motion for you to get anything. Consider asking me question. I am 24 hours available to answer all your questions. If you don't subscribe, keep subscribing for more. This is Keja Graphic. I sign out. Thank you. God bless.